Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate you. If you're new, you're very welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today I'll be showing you how I made this simple Chinese fried rice. To know how I made it, keep watching. So for my ingredients, I have mixed vegetables, and in there I have my scotch bonnet pepper, I have my cooked rice which I refrigerated, spring onions, green peas, red onions and some garlic, and I have there grilled chicken, and I have my seasoned prawns. I use Old Bay seasoning to season the prawns. And I have my soy sauce, light soy sauce. I have curry and thyme. To start, I'm going to add some oil to my pan, and I'm going to stir fry the prawns. I'm going to stir fry until they are well cooked, and I'm going to set aside. I like cooking my prawns very well. And I'm going to toss around to make sure they are evenly cooked. And now I'm going to set aside. They are well cooked, golden brown already. Next, I'm frying the eggs. I used 2 eggs. Now I'm going to set aside. So I'm going to fry this. I'm going to stir fry the vegetables. In there I have different types of vegetables and also have my scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to stir fry and set aside. Before then, I'm going to add some seasoning, some salt, curry, thyme, and I'm going to combine together. So I'm going to stir fry for about 2 minutes because we want our vegetables to be crunchy and not too cooked. We don't want them soggy but crunchy. So I'm going to set aside as well. Next, I'm going to be frying the rice, and to do this I'm going to add some oil to the pan. I'm going to add in my onions and garlic. This will enhance the flavor of the rice. Now I'm going to add in the rice. Remember, this rice has been cooked and then left in the fridge. If you have leftover rice, it's very okay to use. So I'm going to keep frying. I'll fry for about 5 minutes to make sure it is really fried. So now I'm going to add curry, and some seasoning, and I'm going to mix properly. To make sure the seasoning and the curry are well distributed. So you can hear the sizzling sound. The rice is frying. So now the rice is well fried. I'm going to add the prawns and the grilled chicken. So because I was not having chicken fillet, so I used drumsticks. I cooked and grilled. So when it comes to cooking, you use what you have at home. So for this fried rice recipe, this Chinese fried rice recipe, I actually used everything I had at home. So now I'm adding the mixed vegetables. And I'm going to combine properly. So I'm going to add soy sauce. So you can add as much quantity as you want. So I added little amounts because of my children. They don't like it too brown. However, you can add as much as you want to change the color of the rice. So now I'm going to add the egg and combine. Next, I'm adding the green peas. Now I'm adding the spring onions. That is the last ingredient. So this is the end of the cooking. The aroma coming from here is very inviting. So inviting. So that is the end of our cooking. If you enjoyed this recipe, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if there's any way you think I can make this better, do let me know. If you have any recipe you would want me to make, I will gladly make it. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share with your friends. And I will see you in my next video. Stay safe.